Meet the Lycan Power Box. Lightweight and rugged, the Lycan is the perfect storage system to power several AC and DC appliances, with features such as a floodlight and multiple charging options, including solar. The Lycan is easy to maneuver thanks to its pull rod handle and weighs in only at 55 pounds. It features a state-of-the-art replaceable lithium iron phosphate battery with a full 1,000 watt-hours of storage capacity. The Lycan can be charged by a 12-volt car outlet using a CIG port, an AC wall plug with the input port, or directly from the sun by connecting a panel to the PV port. The Lycan can provide 1,200 watts of power through any of its 4 AC outlets. DC charging is a breeze with 3 round DC ports, 4 USB outlets, and an additional 12-volt car port. To run an AC or DC appliance, you will need to specify the operating mode of the Lycan. Press the power button, and then you can select AC, DC, or both buttons to turn on that function. The bright floodlight on the top will make sure you're never left in the dark. You can externally charge an additional lithium iron phosphate battery to keep you on the move. You may also use Lycan to charge a sealed lead acid battery if needed. The Lycan Power Box. Ready when you aren't.
If you've ever inflated a large object like a camping pad, you know what a huge pain it is. They take forever to inflate, you have to put your mouth on a valve that's been all over the ground, and they're even a pain to deflate. So to demonstrate what I mean, first I'm going to blow into this bag with a conventional valve. So as you'll see, even after 2 breaths of air, the bag with a conventional valve was hardly inflated. Now compare that to the bag with a wind catcher, with just a single breath of air, I was able to inflate this entire bag. Thanks to a phenomenon known as entrainment, each time you blow into the wind catcher, a ton of the surrounding air is also sucked in, greatly amplifying your every breath. As a result, an object as large as this camping pad can easily be inflated in seconds without using any power or pump. And this is all done without the valve ever touching your mouth. Designed to be super convenient, the wind catcher air pad 2 can be deflated and packed up in seconds. And the valve's ability to double as a carrying case means you'll never misplace or fumble with a clumsy stuff sack again. With the pad's ability to inflate in seconds and pack up in seconds, plus the all-new ability to quickly transform into a seat thanks to its built-in straps and snaps, we think the AirPad 2 Plus will be just what you need for any situation.